Before entering the kitchen, let's take a look at how it was before. Here we provided fully functional modular kitchen, where we have embraced a captivating violet color with a premium high glossy laminate finish.
The design philosophy here is all about striking that perfect balance between eye-catching aesthetics and clean modern minimalism. This striking black galaxy countertop with quad sink and marble shade dado tiles providing a beautiful contrast. A touch of sophisticated elegance to this vibrant violet. The base units are designed for ultimate functionality. We have incorporated smooth sliding tandem boxes for easy access and organized storage cabinet with rose gold G-profile handle for sleek look. Seamlessly integrated appliances including built-in oven, grinder, and bottom of these appliances we provided wicker baskets that contribute to the kitchen sleek and streamlined appearance. A customized pantry unit offers tailored storage solutions, maximizing the space and accessibility for all your essentials. Moving to the overhead and loft, you will notice integrated chimney, ensuring a clean and fresh cooking environment and maximizing vertical space with additional storage in overhead and loft cabinet.
If you want to turn your old home into a modern home, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.